This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the Santa cracker box. Now this does come as two separate panels. I've already glued them together. Two separate pieces, so there's two sides on each piece. This way you can size this box bigger if you would like. Can go a little bit bigger. Since all of the panel pieces go on the same, I have gone ahead and done 3 of the sides because you don't need to watch me repeat the process over and over again. Okay, now this one panel, instead of just a plain white piece for the hair, it does have the face. Okay, so that's the only difference here with this one. That, and I'm going to point out here that this has a slight curve right here. This is just this curve here on the face. Okay, so you're going to line that up. Let's just go ahead and glue these two pieces together. So you're going to glue the black onto the back of this. This is just for the eyes. Okay. And I have not put his belt on yet. That's why I have 4 of these pieces right here, because I want to make sure that I line it up all the way around. And for that, I need to put this, the front on first. Okay. So I'm just going to start at the top and work my way to the bottom. And I just realized I didn't bring any ribbon or twine out. I don't know if I have any under my desk. I'll have to look here in a minute for tying this shut. In my mind, I saw this part through here as the fur trim of his hat, which is why I chose white and not the red to continue through here. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just line this right up with these other pieces here. And I'm thinking I'm going to take in your file, this mouthpiece is actually for another cracker box. It's for the Nutcracker. So the Santa is not going to have this piece on it. I took that off, and it's because the Nutcracker doesn't have a beard. So I'm going to fix that in the file. I added it on thinking I needed it after the fact, without thinking through how all the pieces of this one worked together. Okay, so I've just lined this up with these, and then all the other pieces just butt right up to the next one. And I'm just making sure I've got it lined up down the sides and pushing it right up against that. And then the wider black strip is for his boots. So you can do the base in whatever color you want because there is a piece here for his boots. Okay, and now we are going to put his beard on. And we're just going to line that right up to the top. Okay. And then you can kind of see where the other pieces go. I did just want to use a little bit. I haven't inked any of these pieces, but I feel like because all I have to use is the vanilla cardstock, so I feel like his skin tone is a little bit pale. So I just wanted to ink the edges of his nose. Then you can see the curves here for his mustache. You can see where his eyebrows go. Now, normally I would ink the edges of all of these, but I wanted to just kind of keep this a little flatter with its look, if that makes sense. I think I have two of the same size. Yeah. And then the last thing is the belt. And you just line that up side to side. Okay. And then just going to glue one side of the bottom on right now. And now I'm going to glue this together, and then we'll put the bottom on. And again, you do have to glue these two pieces together to start. I just already had that done for the purpose of this video. And I do like to fold this both ways when I glue it, just to make sure I've got it stuck down good. Is that too close? That's kind of close. You may need to make sure you have something long that you can fit down inside here to help you push these tabs down when you glue this on. You might not need it, but you might. I think, oh, it just barely fits. Okay. And there he is. And then it is a cracker box, so it kind of goes together like that. And you would tie your bow around there, which I didn't bring my ribbon with me. But there he is. There is the Santa cracker box. Thank you for joining me.